What if the very fruits you eat every day, the ones you've always believed to be heart-healthy, good for digestion, or even anti-aging, were silently damaging your knees, throwing off your balance, and gradually weakening your legs? This isn't a theory. It's a reality for millions of older adults worldwide, and the most concerning part is that they have no idea it's happening. Welcome to Leg Tips 60 Plus, your trusted source for science-backed health guidance designed specifically for those of us over 60. Today, we're going to share a truth that may make you rethink your entire idea of healthy eating. After 60, everything changes. Blood circulation slows down, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing key vitamins, and silent inflammation rises. In this new reality, a few wrong food choices can have major consequences: weak legs, muscle loss, poor balance, and even the inability to walk for more than 5 minutes. According to the National Institute on Aging, over 38% of seniors over 65 suffer from a serious decline in leg strength, doubling their risk of falls and fractures. What's shocking is that many of these cases are triggered by eating the wrong fruits that seem healthy but are hiding in your fridge right now. The good news: by cutting out just 3 specific fruits and replacing them with smarter, science-backed choices, you can restore leg circulation, prevent cramps, and feel your legs return to the strength they had 20 years ago. Let's begin. Part 1. The 3 fruits to avoid for leg strength. These fruits seem harmless, but they may be quietly weakening your legs one bite at a time. Fruit to avoid. Number 1. Overripe bananas. You eat them for potassium and digestion. But for people over 60, the reality of overripe bananas, the soft brown spotted kind, is very different. The problem: overripe bananas have a higher glycemic index than white bread. They cause your blood sugar to spike rapidly, and in older adults, the body's insulin response is often too slow to manage it. This triggers what scientists call an inflammation cascade. The impact on your legs. This inflammation directly targets your joints, leading to swollen knees, aching hips, and an accelerated breakdown of lower body muscle. Furthermore, the high potassium without enough magnesium, especially on an empty stomach, disrupts your electrolyte balance, causing nighttime leg cramps, twitching calves, and a growing feeling of weakness. The verdict: while a banana seems healthy, an overripe one works against you after 60. The symptoms it causes, fatigue, aches, cramps, look so much like normal aging that you never suspect the cause. The action: for just 1 week, replace your morning banana with eggs, half an avocado, or plain Greek yogurt. Your legs will tell you everything you need to know. Fruit to avoid. Number 2. Red grapes. Labeled an anti-aging superfood, red grapes are consumed by the millions. But for seniors, these sweet, juicy fruits are a hidden threat to leg strength. The problem: red grapes contain high levels of free glucose and fructose with virtually no fiber to slow absorption. For a senior's body, this means a rapid sugar rush that triggers widespread inflammation, particularly in the joints and tiny blood vessels of the legs. The resveratrol myth. The antioxidant benefits of resveratrol in grapes are only significant in highly concentrated doses, like supplements. Eating a handful of grapes doesn't give you a meaningful dose of antioxidants. It gives you a 20-gram hit of fast-absorbing sugar. The impact on your legs. Studies show that frequent blood sugar swings cause adults over 65 to lose muscle mass 27% faster. This leads to tired legs, stiff joints, and instability, especially after a high-sugar snack like grapes. The verdict: grapes have become a sweet but silent contributor to leg weakness, trembling, and poor balance in older adults. The action: if you suffer from heavy legs or nighttime cramps, try cutting out red grapes for 10 days and observe the difference. Fruit to avoid. Number 3. Watermelon. Refreshing, hydrating, and sweet, watermelon seems like the perfect healthy treat. But for someone over 60, it could be a primary cause of leg weakness. The problem: watermelon has a glycemic index of around 72, making it one of the fastest glucose-spiking fruits available. Eaten alone, especially at night, it sends your blood sugar soaring, leading to a low-grade inflammatory surge that targets your knees, ankles, and calves. The hydration trap. Its high water content, 90%, can be a problem. For seniors, especially those on diuretics, Consuming too much watermelon can dilute essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, directly causing muscle weakness and cramps. The impact on your legs. The combination of a sugar spike and electrolyte dilution is a recipe for disaster. It leads to unstable knees, nighttime cramps, and a feeling of trembling in the legs, particularly in the morning. The verdict. Watermelon is not made for someone focused on rebuilding muscle and restoring leg circulation after 60. The action. Cut out watermelon for just 7 days. Notice if your legs feel steadier, your standing feels lighter, and your sleep becomes deeper. Part 2. The 3 powerful fruits to eat for vitality. Avoiding the wrong foods is half the battle. Now let's replace them with fruits that actively rebuild leg muscle, restore circulation, and support your joints. Fruit to eat. Number 1. Avocado. The avocado deserves a place in every senior's daily diet, not because it's trendy, but because it's grounded in solid science for leg health. Why it works. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that fight chronic inflammation in the knees and hips. They also contain more potassium than bananas without the sugar spike, helping to prevent leg cramps and regulate muscle function. The science. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors who ate 1 avocado daily for 12 weeks experienced a noticeable improvement in leg strength and a reduction in knee pain. The verdict. With its extremely low glycemic index and rich nutrient profile, vitamins K, E, the avocado is a powerhouse for joint recovery, bone health, and stable energy. How to eat it. Add half an avocado to your breakfast, spread it on whole grain toast, or blend it into a smoothie. Fruit to eat. Number 2. Blueberries. This tiny fruit is packed with powerful anti-inflammatory properties and is one of the smartest choices for anyone over 60. Why it works. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which reduce oxidative stress in muscle tissue, improve the flexibility of blood vessels, and enhance circulation to the lower limbs. The science. Studies show that daily blueberry consumption improves balance and walking stamina in adults over 60. The anthocyanins help the brain send signals to leg muscles faster and more reliably. The verdict. With a low glycemic index, blueberries stabilize blood sugar, fight inflammation, and support muscle repair, making them a top choice for rebuilding leg strength. How to eat it. Enjoy half a cup each morning with oats or plain Greek yogurt. Frozen blueberries are just as effective. Fruit to eat. Number 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the most bioactive fruits available, especially effective at restoring circulation and reducing joint inflammation. Why it works. Pomegranates contain powerful antioxidants, punicalagins, that are 2 to 3 times stronger than those in green tea. They also contain natural nitrates which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and dramatically increases blood flow to the legs and feet. The science. Research has shown pomegranate extract can significantly lower inflammation markers and improve blood flow in the legs of adults over 65. The verdict. Pomegranates enhance circulation, slow muscle loss, and protect your vascular system without spiking blood sugar, making them ideal for rebuilding walking strength. How to eat it. Eat the fresh seeds from half a pomegranate or drink a small glass of 100% unsweetened pomegranate juice. Choose stronger. Every day we often think we age because of time. But the truth is, many of us are aging faster because of small, repeated choices we never realized were working against us. A soft banana, a handful of grapes, a slice of watermelon, these innocent habits can drain your strength. After 60, your body doesn't need more. It needs the right things. Today, you've learned the 3 fruits to avoid and the 3 powerful ones to embrace to restore leg strength, improve balance, and live more independently. If this brought you value, please share it with a loved one who may be struggling. Subscribe to Leg Tips 60 Plus for more science-backed guidance. And finally, if you're ready to turn this knowledge into action, leave a comment below that says, "I choose stronger every day." Because it's never too late to walk with confidence.